How do you integrate API endpoint testing into CI/CD pipelines? Imagine building a house and not checking the foundation before you start painting the walls. That's what skipping API endpoint testing in your software pipeline is like. It's essential to catch issues early, so your backend stays reliable and your users stay happy. Let's walk through how to make API testing a natural part of your development process. First, you want your testing to happen automatically whenever you make changes. This means setting up your CI/CD system, like Jenkins, GitHub Actions, GitLab CI, or CircleCI, to trigger tests every time you push code or open a pull request. This way, you catch bugs before they reach production. Next, you need solid test suites. These should include tests for valid inputs to confirm the API behaves as expected. Also, include tests for invalid inputs to see how the API handles errors. Don't forget edge cases and boundary conditions, which test the limits of your API. Security tests are vital too, checking for authentication, authorization, and injection vulnerabilities. Performance tests are also important, especially load and stress testing, to see how your API responds under heavy traffic. Choosing the right tools makes a big difference. Tools like Postman, which offers a command line interface, rest assured, or specialized platforms with REST APIs help automate tests and gather results. These tools can be integrated directly into your pipeline scripts. For example, you can run Postman collections with a simple command, and the results will be part of your build report. Embedding test commands into your pipeline configuration is straightforward. You can add scripts that run your API tests after each code push. Set environment variables to point your tests to the correct API endpoints, whether they are mock servers or real servers. This flexibility helps during different stages of development. When tests run, you want your pipeline to analyze the results. If tests pass, the pipeline continues to deployment. If they fail, it should stop and notify developers to fix issues. This helps prevent broken code from reaching users. Detailed reports make it easier to see what went wrong and where. Using mock APIs during early testing phases is a smart move. Mock endpoints simulate real services, so tests can run even if some parts of your backend aren't ready yet. This improves test speed and stability. Finally, keep improving your tests. Review results regularly and add new tests for any gaps you find. Use monitoring tools in production to gather real-world data and update your test cases accordingly. By following these steps, API endpoint testing becomes a seamless part of your CI/CD pipeline. It helps you deliver reliable, high-quality backend services faster and with more confidence. This approach makes your development process smoother, catching issues early and ensuring your APIs meet the right standards before they reach your users.